For example, about 100 years back, I was in another body. My name was Inayat Khan. I made my journey from India to Europe. I traveled all over Europe. I taught all the people meditation. About 400, 300 years back, I was in United States. My name was Franklin, Benjamin Franklin. Then I did many things there. About 2500 years back, I was with Gautama Buddha. I washed his clothes. I was his assistant, personal assistant, for 40 years. So I pressed his legs. I washed his clothes. I was his personal assistant. So I know all this fellow finger. Okay. And of course, I know what will happen to me the moment I vacate my body. Who are the people who are going to come? What grand celebration would be there for a victorious life, for a successful life, for a happy life, for a healthy life. So I know from this up to this. Okay. You all have to know. Everybody has to know. This journey, now, this is the visible world. Yes or no? From your birth to death. Now, this is visible. These two fingers represent the invisible world. So, before meditation and enlightenment, everybody is here. After meditation and enlightenment, everybody is here. Understand? You expand your consciousness from the visible world to the whole gamut of the invisible world.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.